Today on Cooked at Camp, I'm whipping up the boys a quick and easy chicken biryani. This is a kit and bits recipe that comes together quicker than cooking rice. This recipe is just a snippet from a regular wild touring episode where we were up against it all with fuel shortages, road closures, a cyclone, and a minor gas explosion. Find a link to that episode in the video description below. Jeez. So I'm going to cook the boys a chicken biryani, and I would call this like a kit and bits. It's not chicken biryani from scratch. That would take far too long and I don't have all the equipment to do it. But these kits from Coles or Woolies are very, very good. And I use that plus a few other odd bits and bobs to make something that is really quick, really easy, and absolutely delicious. So I've already got some rice cooking here in the rice cooker. And in the time that it takes this rice to cook, the entire dish will be done. So it's literally like a 20-minute dish. Really, really simple. I have done just a very small amount of prep at home, but I'll show you that. Super easy. Anyway, so I've got some basmati rice in there. I've got 300 grams, which is enough for the three of us big boys. And this biryani kit does come with some rice seasoning. I've only put half to maybe 2/3 of the pack in with the rice because it is quite, there's a lot of flavor going on there. And I've tasted it before and that's all it needs. So we're gonna roll with that. I have sliced up an entire red onion. I'm gonna pop that into my cast iron pot now. And then we're going to fry that off just for a couple of minutes till it starts to go translucent. There is something about the smell of onions frying. It smells so good. Going into this with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and I'm going to go with half the spice mix that biryani kit came with because that's all we're going to need. And then I'll give that a really good stir. And then I'm going to go in with 1 cup of natural yogurt and half a lemon juice. Yeah, it'll be tasty, dude. It'll be nice.
What's it called?
Chicken biryani. Ever had it before? Or biryani, sorry. It's like a kit and bit, so that's the kit from like Woolies or Coles or whatever. It's tasty, dude. You'll like it. Nice. But Nathan doesn't like coriander. So normally I'd go in with like a cup of chopped coriander now, probably when I add the rice to this, but instead I'm going to use it as something to go on top for me and Duff's. It's all good, mate. No, I won't, because I know people that don't like coriander really don't like coriander. Rightio, that rice has just clicked off, so I'll dump that rice in. And this is normally where I'd go in with coriander, but I'll put that in last because Nathan doesn't like it. Next, I'm going to stick in an entire rotisserie chicken, but I've totally boned it. I've pulled all the flesh off, all the bones and all the cartilage and all the skin and stuff have been discarded. This is just the meat. So an entire roast chook going in like that. And I'm also going to go in with a heap of fried shallots now. Some now and some on top. Is it? The boys are getting some bowls and some forks. Duff's just had a little bit of a couple of naan breads in his travel buddy going, so we'll have those for tea as well. Oh, me old mate. What have you got? All right. Come around that side for me, brother. Right, use those clackers and serve yourself, mate.
Oh, looks good, mate. Looks good.
I reckon you'll like it. You like your sort of spicy Indian stuff, don't you?
Oh, I love it, yes. Good.
Right, go a heap of coriander and, yep, go fried shallots as well. Come around this side, mate. Get into it.
Hey?
Give it a whirl.
Can I have a shallot of them?
You can have a shallot. Give it a taste, Tone.
Yeah, let's get in there. It's good, mate.
It's good, eh? It's super simple, but yeah, like a nice hearty filling meal. It's just a little bit of bite, eh? It's not too bad.
Oh, good, mate.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
You won't do coriander, but you'll do shallots, won't you?
I won't get some actually, just go off the oven and pull your naan breads out.
Yeah.
I've got a cooking, so.
Give that a whack for me as well, mate. Let me know what you reckon. That made a big batch too, eh? There's probably 5 or 6 meals there. Or 3 big boys.
Oh man.
Good?
That's real good.
Oh, good. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna
Fantastic.
smack this, have a couple of beers, and
I'm looking forward to a night on the canvas.
cheers.